Hi everyone, I hope everyone's well. Thank you so much for joining myself and my colleague Dan today. Just a bit of an intro from me and some housekeeping bits and pieces before we get started on the real detail of today's webinar. Just as a bit of an overview as to who we are and why we're saying the things we're saying today. My name's Vicky and I'm head of the recruitment practice here at Blue Sky PR, and I'm joined by my colleague Dan, who is head of social media. So in terms of who we are, and if you're wondering who Blue Sky PR are, we are a specialist PR, communications and marketing firm that works within the recruitment, HR and talent management field. So we're very niche. We really do know our stuff when it comes to all things PR, marketing and communications, but particularly within the recruitment sphere. So we do kind of really embed ourselves heavily in recruitment and talent management. So we have a lot of experience and a lot of knowledge in those areas, and we're keen to share those with everybody today. The topic that we are covering in this particular webinar is how to use social media to attract and engage a diverse mix of candidates. We have other webinars on our website, so please do check those out if there's other topics that we start to delve into today that might be of interest to you. So I'll pass over to Dan now just to give a run through as to what the agenda is going to be for this morning.
So hi everyone, in this webinar today we're going to look at 4 key areas, all to do with how you can use social media effectively to drive diverse candidate attraction. So we'll be looking at the latest demographics for the main 4 social media platforms, which are Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn and Instagram. And then we'll be looking at some of the key types of content they can really use to engage diverse audiences across social media. And then we're going to be looking at the importance of hashtags and how you can really harness them to get your posts, no matter what the channel, in front of your desired audience, because that's something that a lot of people often overlook, but hashtags are very, very important now on social. And we'll also be looking at the importance of LinkedIn and Facebook groups as well, because beyond your feed, if you're going to go into really target niche groups and these communities, these groups are a fantastic way of doing that. So we'll be looking at how you can do that both as a recruitment firm and getting your recruiters on board with that as well.